Hi, today I will show you how the incoming bill of lading can be received in the application by uploading the external CTE file. Before start, make sure you have the default freight charge added in the charge types for incoming out of SCAL in the site page, Sales and Procurement tab. In this example, I will use this XML file. Here we have the freight amount and some ICMS tax calculated. The incoming bill of ladings are uploaded in the application by using the external supplier invoice. This is a core functionality modified to read the electronic CTE XML files. Before start uploading the CTE XML files, make sure you have the tax codes related to each Brazilian tax which may exist in the XML file created in the external supplier invoice tax codes. Here we can define the specific tax codes to be used when the taxes are read from the file. You can define them per supplier, or in case you want to use always the same tax codes for all suppliers, you can use the wildcard character percentage in the column supplier. In the page External Supplier Invoice Load Information, you can check the records related to all incoming files previously uploaded in the application. In this example, the toggle button Manually Process Incoming Out of SCAL will be selected for the company in Invoice NFA Compliance tab. Now I will paste the XML file in the IN folder. Once the CTE XML file is vanished from the folder, you can check this in the application. Here, as you can see, the last load ID we have is the 393. I will refresh the page. Now we have the new load ID 398 in the initial states loaded. Now you can select the three dots button and select the option Check Invoices. Next step is to create the incoming bill of lading. You can do that by selecting the option Create Incoming Out of SCAL. Now click the option View Incoming Out of SCAL to navigate from the page External Supplier Invoice Load Information to the page Incoming Out of SCAL. In this page, you can see all the information read from the external CTE file, including the 44-character key and issue date in the tab NFE CTE information. In the tab lines, as you can see, the default charge for freight defined in the site is fetched as part number. You can select the line and check the taxes read from file using the option Tax Lines. In the Tax Lines dialog, you can see the ICMS amount to read from the external XML file. Next step is to approve the incoming bill of lading. I will select the Approve button and then Create Manual Supplier Invoice. In this example, I selected the option Create Manual Supplier Invoice because the toggle button Manually Process Incoming Out of SCAL was selected for my company. But when that toggle button is unselected, the application will create the Manual Supplier Invoice automatically just after the incoming bill of lading is approved. Now click the button Manual Supplier Invoice to navigate from page Incoming Out of SCAL to the page Manual Supplier Invoice. In the previous Get product, the incoming Out of SCAL were matched to the incoming bill of lading directly in the bill of lading page, but in IFS Cloud, the solution works in a different way. You have to match the supplier invoice line with the previous receipts done in the application, and you can do that by selecting the line and using the option Match PO Receipts per line. The application lists all the receipts previously done. You can select the ones you will match in this invoice line by using the option Match. Just select the toggle button and then click the OK button. That's it. This is all about the receipt of incoming bill of ladings in the application by using the option to upload the CTE XML files. Bye!